What's up guys? Today we're going to show you how to make a longboard mount for your GoPro. Me and the dog are here testing it out, and we're going to show you how to build it in a minute. Stay tuned. What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make GoPro mounts for your longboard. Let's see what we need here. I got a clamp because the one it came with won't click on the longboard. It's a little thick. We got this T here. We got some nuts, bolts. I got these rubber things to help dampen. And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to use the 1/4 inch tripod adapter with a 1/4 inch screws here. You're going to need some drill bits, some bungee cords, and a couple basic hand tools for drilling holes and whatnot. Alright, I'm going to start by drilling a couple pilot holes here. Alright, now we're going to widen these holes up a little bit. So the holes on the back side are for these guys, and I think it'll just help with a little bit of vibration. So let's get these on. You're gonna take your little itty bitty screw, stick it in the hole. Boom, you see how that works there? Now we have some lock washers we'll put on the inside. Get some nuts on there. And we got little feet that I think will help absorb some of the vibrations. Alright, we have our 1/4 inch bolt in. I'm going to hit it with a lock washer and a nut. Gonna just hand tighten for now. And that's pretty solid. You get another nut, you get that put on here. Show you why here in a second. You get that on, and then when you tighten this thing on, you get it the direction you want, and then you tighten the nut underneath, and it's a solid mount. And here's my first little mount I made up here. Got the bungees. Let's connect it and see how that works. And then this one's pretty much the same procedure. You're just going to want to drill a 1/4 inch hole, put your 1/4 inch in, lock it down with a nut, put your tripod mount on. So this one I could have off to the side, I won't kick it. This one will just give you your little front facing view, and this one will give you the down the side view. So let's go test them out and see how these work. Alright guys, so we tested out our GoPro mounts and just got to make sure everything's locked in tight. But most importantly, just let the dog have fun and run. Alright, initial review of my DIY GoPro mounts. Pretty much just make sure that everything is nice and tight so nothing rattles loose. I need to make sure that all the other things are tight because the camera was moving. So with any new gear, yeah, there's a little trial and error. Sometimes you just get out and you didn't get all the bolts on tight enough, but so far I'm happy with the results. The dog's happy. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.